would like to know about your journey with Zainova.
So my journey with the Zainova Shelby is I joined the very first day of opening of a Zainova Shelby hospital, and I was the first person to operate in a Zainova Shelby hospital.
Ma'am, I would like to know about your journey of these 5 years with Zainova Hospital.
Yes, I am here since the hospital is built. So I was the first consultant who saw my first patient in the OPD, and now it has grown up to such an extent.
Sir, would like to know what is Zainova for you?
I think I like the staff camaraderie very well. Everybody knows each other and everybody is in good connection with each other. And that really helps in the patient relations and everybody getting good improvement after treatment.
I would like to know what is that which has brought you to Zainova, sir?
So basically, it is the best hospital in, according to me, in Chembur Ghatkopar area. It's a state-of-art hospital. Maintaining the standards of healthcare, this hospital has really excelled.
Sir, would like to know what makes Zainova different from other hospitals that you have been working with.
No, definitely Zainova is centrally placed and the staff which is there, infrastructures are very good.
We have Dr. Sri Sanath Rao sir with us. Sir, would like to know about your journey with Zainova.
And I've been with Zainova for 4 years, a little over 4 years now. And the journey has been nothing short of remarkable. Remarkable is the word I would like to use.
Sir, would like to know about your journey with Zainova.
Right from our staff in the wards to our admin to everybody. It's a pleasant experience every day.
So, would like to know from you what is that make Zainova different from the other hospitals?
Cooperation, coordination, and the best of the care for the patient. That makes it a different thing.
Would like to know what has brought you here to Zainova.
So I congratulate Zainova Hospital and team for completing 5 years in service. The best hospital in Mumbai suburbs.
I would like to ask what made you join Zainova? What was that you were looking for and you found in Zainova?
See, the hospital is very nice, it's approachable, and it has multi-speciality. Staff is really excellent, and I can feel a good vibe when I came here for the first time.
I'd like to know about your experience till now with Zainova.
So I've been here since about a year, and it's been a very great experience. OT is great facilities, even the ward and all. I've had a really good time till now.
We have Reni Varghese sir, the COO of Zainova Shelby Hospital here with us. Sir, would like to know from you the journey of this 5 years.
We started very on a very moderate mode where if you look at the numbers, used to be a 300 OPD in the beginning, and today we stand at 1500 OPDs a month, which is like 5 years, 5 times the numbers. And again, looking at what we are concentrating on the quality part, we have achieved NABH accreditation in the second year itself, and proud to say that we have accredited and got re-accredited for NABL till 2030, which comes as an achievement.
So where do you see Zainova 5 years from now?
Today we are at 100 beds. We are looking at adding 100 more beds in the coming 2 years, and going forward, if the dream goes well, we'll be a chain in the next 5 years.
Zainova for you is?
My second home.